Hey everybody, I'm back for the bread recipe. Again, we're doing really no knead bread because I fail terribly when I have to knead bread, and humidity levels and other crap get me in trouble. This is one of those that you put in the Dutch oven at like 450 degrees and you cook. So I recommend a Dutch oven. You can use it for fried chicken, that's what I use it for. You can use it for soups, you can use it for anything, and you can use it for bread. So 3 cups flour, 1/4 teaspoon yeast, and then about a 1 teaspoon salt, maybe a tablespoon salt. Did I mess that up? I'll add some more salt for funsies. You can always add more salt, right? Here's my salt. I just got worried that I had the wrong measuring cup. It's for taste. Oh god. This is gonna be salty bread. Just kidding. We'll be okay. Then just mix it up in a little, like a glass bowl like this. We're gonna cover it with plastic wrap after we add water. And typically with no knead bread, you let it sit for a long time, but the way to get around that is use hot water. We're gonna use 1.5 cups. So there's our cup. And then our 1/2 cup. Oops. Make sure you can read the numbers. And then you mix it up, and don't kill the bread, but just kind of push it around off the sides. I'm using this thing. And here we go. What are y'all doing today? Great, now I'm worried we use too much. Flour. I don't think so though, let's keep going with it. Yeah, that looks good. Just kidding. Can use another 1/2 cup. Get my hands. Okay. I forgot it was hot water. Well, we just continue to improvise today. What are you doing? This is life. it sit covered. I'll show you what the consistency is here in a second. Use my middle finger here. Alright, so it's been about 3.5 hours. This is the bread that we've been waiting on. I've pre-floured the surface. This is what it looks like, and I think we did okay. It's supposed to have a jiggle, but I don't know. I'm gonna put it, I'm literally just gonna lay it on there, roll it around without kneading it at all, and then put it in here on some with some parchment paper that it's gonna sit on, and then we're gonna sit it and the parchment paper into the thing, and maybe I'll show you that later. But after I put it in here, it's gonna be, I'm just gonna leave it in there for like 30 minutes or however long it takes the oven to get up to 450 propylene. All right, to be continued. So I use the spatula to remove that, and then put it in here in the parchment paper, and we're just gonna wait until that preheats again. I'm gonna cover this with a towel, just let it sit, if I didn't clarify that. This oven's dirty, but the Dutch oven's in there while it's preheating. So make sure it's doing that, and it's still gonna be preheating for a bit, so. There's the towel. Picked the green one. All right, so I took it out, and oops, let me do this. Always clean your oven. I took it out, took the lid off, put it back in, and we're gonna put the timer on for like 15 more minutes, but you can do that to whatever crispiness you want. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I killed the bread, but it'll probably be good still. This is how it turned out. It's crunchy and yummy. This is the only butter I have left, so I'm gonna use all of it on this last piece. I'm gonna stick it right here in the middle. Bon appetit. Oh, that's bread. That is bread. Thanks for watching, man.